So if you wonder why I'm so passionate, it is because maybe perhaps you have never ever known my pain. The passion is driven sometimes by pain. Let the pain of whatever you thought you lost, let it drive you. Let it settle in your spirit and use that feeling of loss, that feeling of despair. Use that to get over that next hill, because more are going to come. Our babies are coming back, especially coming. More hills are going to come, but what are you going to do the next time a hill comes? Stand strong. Finish strong, as I have encouraged my team to do. And I want to thank every single one of them. Every single one of them that bought in from July 1st, 2020 to doing things the right way. Thank you.
We are so pleased to have the opportunity to honor these awesome educators. We are coming to the end, and many of you are waiting for us to give away awesome gifts. But before we do that, I have been in a number of organizations, and I have never been in an organization where the national president offers the level of support that we get from our national president, Dr. Etta Carter. And I count it an honor and a privilege to have her join us today. Many of you may be on this webinar and may not be familiar with National Sorority of Phi Delta Kappa Incorporated. And I want to give her an opportunity to share with you just some information about our organization.
Good afternoon to everyone in attendance. I thank you, Dr. Chestnut, and the members of Zeta Delta Chapter of the National Sorority of Phi Delta Kappa Incorporated, and especially this partnership that you have forged with Alabama State University. What a joy it was for me to be in your presence today. I am the proud 26th national president of this prestigious organization of educators. It is the oldest women's educational organization in the country. In 2023, we will celebrate our 100-year anniversary. There are over 3,000 members and 3,000 affiliates of this organization, and I was very happy to hear the word kudos come through from one of our recipients, because that is a group of young people that we mentor throughout their high school. At this time, we have 3,000 members, 3,000 affiliates, and more, and we provide over $60,000 in scholarships and national scholarships each year, as well as the local scholarships that come from our 107 chapters in 33 states. And so, one of our most important goals is to provide support for teachers in their pursuit of excellence and promote the highest ideals of the teaching profession. I would say that this forum today has met those goals. To the keynote speaker, Dr. Craig Orkin, I sincerely appreciate you for bringing the mental visualization of a child facing home challenges, rediscovering, and the encouragement of compassionate educators, and your determination to succeed. Congratulations to each of the exemplary award recipients, and wish you much success in the future. I thank you for all of the workshop presenters and participants who took time to attend this Teacherama, which is one of our signature national programs provided by chapters for teachers and their local school communities. Thank you for the opportunity to be with you today. And my wish for each of you is to be blessed as you continue in this noble profession. Be blessed. Thank you. We can't hear you, Dr. Chester. We can't hear you, Dr. Chester.
Dr. Chestnut, please.
I see that I'm muted. I'm sorry. Thank you so much, Dr. Carter, for your comments and for your support. We are now at the end of our meeting, and we want to end by acknowledging two generous companies that have donated door prizes. I want to say thank you to Tristaz Consulting Company, who's owned by William Scott, who's a senior consultant, and Taylor Trucking Company for donating the door prizes that will be given today. There will be $7 $20 door prizes given, $7 $20 gift cards to Applebee's. We have put all of the names of the participants that were registered for the closing session in a bag. We will pull out your email address. Dr. Ford is here with the bag. Hats off to Alabama State and their staff for pulling all of this together. The cards are here. We will make sure that you get them. Our grand prize will be the last one that's drawn, and it will be for 3 nights and 4 days in Atlanta to a luxury hotel. Here's the packet, the certificate that you will receive. It is valued at $715. All you will have to do is to pay the taxes. Some lucky, blessed educator will get a time away. Compliments of Mr. William Scott from Tusker Consulting and Carrie Taylor Trucking Company. Partnership does pay off. Our first recipient goes to Stacy Scott. Stacy Scott. And we will email you, Stacy, to let you know that you are the lucky winner. The next winner is Pamela Williams. Pamela Williams is our second recipient of the $20 gift card. Our third recipient is LaShonda Crawford. LaShonda Crawford. Our fourth recipient is LaBlanca Charleston. LaBlanca Charleston. Our fifth recipient is Loretta Lewis. Loretta Lewis. Our sixth recipient is Akila Palmer. Akila Palmer. Our seventh recipient is Sylvia Cook. Drum roll. Now the recipient of the 3-night, 4-day vacation getaway to a luxury hotel in Atlanta, Georgia, goes to none other than Angel Keller. Angel Keller. Let's give her a round of applause. We just want to thank everybody for coming on. At this time, we will have our co-chairpersons give closing remarks. This concludes our 2021 Teacherama. If you have been blessed, if you've had a great time today, let's flood social media and let social media know that there are some distinguished educators that really care about other educators. I cannot go any further without recognizing the members of Zeta Delta Chapter of the National Sorority of Phi Delta Kappa in Selma, Alabama. And I just want to recognize them quickly. We have the most awesome, and I may be biased, chapter of all the chapters. We have it's just been good. This was one of the best decisions I know that I've made, but I want to just give honor and recognition as our active members, Jackie Averton Hart, Dr. Shirley Barnes, Dr. Tanya Chestnut, Mashika Culliver, Dr. Ozella Ford, Mrs. Zella Ford, Felicia Glover, Dr. Denisha Hendricks, Deandris Didi Inge, Shanita Irving, Dorothy Irvin, Athelsteen Johnson, Wakanda Lewis, Tammy Major, Dr. Lisa Morizoni, Sharona Moss, Kendra Murray, Cynthia Perkins, Candace Petaway, Veronica Pitts, Jocelyn Reddick, Hattie Shelton, Janika Tempero, Katasha Turner, Jeannie Ward, Dr. Cheryl Washington, Courtney Washington, Sky Washington, Janet Watts, Melanie Wright, Maxine Sturdivant, and Sherry Thomas. Our chapter is made up of practicing and retired educators. We look forward to the opportunity to add to our esteemed group in the upcoming year, but I just could not end without saying thank you to all of our members. And we will be closed out by Dr. Zella Ford, and Mrs. Zella Ford will give the final remarks.
Thank you again to everyone for participating. I am indeed grateful for your participation on today, and my heart just overflows with how this conference has turned out, and all of our distinguished recognees, honorees. Guys, you all so deserve the recognition.
Hey, Mr. Bale.
I would be remiss if I didn't just stop to recognize our superintendent, Dr. Avis Williams of Selma City Schools, for the work that is taking place in our school district.
I'm still in my class.
In the community. And it's
What did you put a back? Put a drop?
I did.
Aren't you in the hole?
No, ma'am.
President Biden come and pick him up. And I'm so tickled because Miss Williams on with me. So when her step forward, she became silent, and I just turned